Welcome people and welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Jordan back with another video. I missed you guys so much and I hope you guys miss me too. So today I created this look for you guys. It's a chit chat get ready with me video. I haven't done one of these in quite some time now as I get ready to go to a brunch. So if this is the type of makeup that you would like to see, or you'd like to see me pick out my outfit, what type of fragrance I'll be using, stay tuned and continue watching right to the very end. Bye. Okay guys, so I have realized that I have not done a sit down chit chat get ready with me video in quite some time now, and so today, you know, I'm giving you it. So today I'll be doing a full detail get ready with me chit chat for a brunch. I will be doing hair and makeup and showing you guys my outfit, showing you guys my fragrances that I've been loving right now in terms of perfume, and my shoes, my bag. It's just gonna be very detailed. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. I have a new eyebrow routine that I'm trying out. I'm going to be making a video soon on that, so be on the lookout for that. I have already primed my face. I've already moisturized. For primer, I'm using my Milk of Magnesia. It is a laxative, but I want a very matte base today, and so this usually helps me achieve that. Okay, jumping into foundation, I'll be mixing my Maybelline Fit Me foundation with my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I really don't want my face to be that full coverage today, so I don't mind mixing the two together. Okay guys, so I am just applying this to my face, trying to get a decent amount of coverage, and I also always apply foundation under my neck. Alright, sometimes when I'm putting on my foundation, I don't like to drag. It depends on where my face. Sometimes I like to go over and pat in the foundation to make sure that I don't have any like patches missing, and make sure I get the most out of my foundation. So as you can see, I didn't really use a lot of foundation just now. Hold on, I don't like how... Okay, so I had to change the direction that my camera was in because I noticed that because outside is overcast, it was looking a little bit dark, so the quality is definitely better now versus what it was just. Now moving on to eyes. Alright, so I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using the Beauty Glaze Beauty Tray that I got on Amazon. Again, it's in my Amazon haul video. As well, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights palette. Alright, so I'm just going to go in first with my transition shade and work my way down to my base. I am picking up this shade here in the Beauty Tray eyeshadow tray. I'm not even sure what this color is, but this is going to be my first transition shade. Now I'm going to switch to my Fairy Lights palette, and I'm going to go in with Edna Mode and use that to be my second shade. If you didn't know, well, I'm a person who I like to sketch out where I want my eyeshadows to be and then blend them. Alright, so I'm just blending out any harsh lines that I have right here, making sure that the first shade that I applied is blended in with this second shade. I'm going to be going into, let's see, with Muse from the BH Cosmetic Fairy Lights palette, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing, but I'm working my way down now closer to my lid. So this will be like the second outline that I'm doing, and as you can see, these shadows are very pigmented and I am not seeing any fallout. So this is actually not a bad palette. It's actually one of my favorites affordable palettes. I think I paid like $10 for this palette, so it's pretty good. Alright, so once again, I'm starting the blending process with this shadow, really diffusing those edges and blending it into what I had before. I really just want everything to be nice and blended and looks very uniform. So eyeshadows are very buildable, and you can always go in and add, you know, what you want to achieve the look that you ultimately want. Guys, I really hope I remember what I did for this eye. I swear, I hope I remember. Going back into the beauty tray, I'm picking up this shade from the purple section, and I think it's going to tie in well with all the other colors that I selected. I am going to pack that on, and then I'm going to blend it. So I will be doing a review on the Beauty Treats palette. I have not done it as yet, but it's coming. And you know, it's weird that I did this eye like this, because I usually start from my lid and then work my way outwards, moving outwards up to my eye. And today I just, you know, I decided to do something different. Yes, I love how everything is blending together. Alright guys, I'm going to do this eye off camera and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back and I've done both my eyes. I am going to go in now with my contour highlight. I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. I'm going to place that in my inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to put some on the outer part of my eye. I'm going for that lifted look. I am going in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna put that in the middle section underneath my eye. And for cream contour, of course, if you've been here for a while, I'm either going to be using LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze, or I'm going to be using the LA Girls Velvet Bronzer Contouring Stick. I haven't used this in a while. Alright, so I'm back, but I'm gonna go ahead and do above my eyebrow first, because I like to do this part before I blend. I don't like when I'm blending and it touches my eyebrow. I want to stay clear from my eyebrow whenever I'm blending. Alright, using that same brush that I used to apply my foundation, I'm going to be going in with this Catrice matte finishing primer, and I'm gonna start blending it. I like to start blending out my highlight first. Now I'm just going to take this upward in an upward motion, so at the same time I am defining my eyeshadow to make it nice and neat, and at the same time I'm giving myself that lifted look. If you're not new to makeup, you don't have to do this lifted look. You can do it how you prefer to do it. For my contour, I am blending out the concealer that is under my contour first. Now for my contour on my nose, I'm just going ahead and blending this out. And I always like to make sure that they look similar. So I like to go in and diffuse the edges, and then I blend in my contour, the edge of my contour in with my highlight by using a patting motion. I'm using the Airspun loose face powder using a dry beauty blender. I'm not damping it, dry beauty blender. What I do when I'm applying this, I press it in so I can get more coverage. Okay, now I'm going in and I'm removing that excess powder, but I'm not gonna remove, like, I don't want it to fully be removed from where my contour is, because I am going to go back in with my contour powder. So now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contouring kit. This is in the shade Tan to Deep, and I've done my nose already. So now I'm moving on to my contour, and I try not to go below this line, so I always make sure I'm aware when I'm applying my contour. Now I'm just going in to finish removing that concealer from my nose. I sometimes like to do this to make sure everything is nice and neat. Now I'm going to be going over my face with this Milani pressed powder. It is in the shade 108, which is medium. If you've been watching me for quite some time now, you know that I always go in with this double step. And this is just my preference. You don't have to do this. Definitely don't have. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my eyebrow pencil to kind of go over my eyebrows. Alright, moving on to my bottom lashes. I'm going in my waterline with this black pencil. I feel like it's been a while since I've done this. Now I'm going to be blending that out. Alright, I blended out this one before, guys, but I don't like how it looks. I think it's a little bit too dark for my preference. And that is due to the fact that I added some black eyeshadow to it. I shouldn't have done that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Great Lashes mascara. I'm going in with that on both my bottom and my top lashes. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera and I will be back. Okay guys, so I added on my lashes and I added on some gems just to spice things up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going in with this blush by Palladio. It's a matte blush. For highlights, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar, and I'm going to be going in with Marshmallow in my inner eye, and then on my nose bridge and the top of my blush, I'm going to use Butterscotch. And now I'm going in with the rest of my face, of course, the tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and above my blush and contour. And my Cupid's bow. Alright, for lips today, I'm not sure what I'll be doing. I always like to mix up my lip product. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with some gloss today on my lips. I'm going to line them though. Alright, and using this Ashley coconut oil lip gloss, I'm just gonna go in on top. Before I pull down my hair, I'm going to show you guys what I'll be wearing as well as my fragrance. Okay, so for today's outfit, I will be wearing this graphic tee. It's an oversized t-shirt. I will be wearing this pair of high-waisted shorts. For my purse, I'll be wearing my knockoff for the Chanel boy bag. Shoes, I'll be wearing these boots. They are by Guess. For perfume, it will be between Miss Dior, Guess, Giorgio Armani, or Juicy Couture. I'm not sure which one I'll select. Okay guys, that is it. In a minute I will stand and let you guys see what it looks like on me. But yeah, this is me ready to go. Loving the look. Let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts. If you have made it to the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please be sure to go ahead and do so now and give the video one of these so that I know if you like or you don't like this type of content. Share my video, share it on all social media platforms. I would really appreciate that. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in another video. Take care, bye. Okay, so for my outfit, I tucked my shirt into my shorts.